Targetti approached us 2 years ago and asked FMS to help them design a best-in-class exterior projector spotlight. FMS has been involved in product design for many years. We want to apply this passion to make extraordinary innovation that called for one fixture that would serve many applications by including dynamic white, variable zoom, intensity, a 4-in-1 driver, and a repeatable locking, aiming, and adjustment system. We made a commitment to use an intense process to really work through all the problems in creating such a new thing. It's been fun, it's been exhilarating, and the result is VADER.